Well, good morning from this side and good o'clock from your side. My name is Dav, Alhamdulillah Da Vinci of Dav Computers. So, as you know, my company, Dav and Cost Concept, has came up a few months ago with an idea to create a digital marketing software that will help people become financially independent. This software is known by many and still not known by many. The whole affiliate marketing software, but this our own is a very unique one that actually has a lot of features that will help individual make rapid money by selling products and services to consumers. So this software is designed for affiliates and vendors to register. The vendors can create their product and affiliates can help them sell those products and get commission from those products. Our software provides high affiliate commission from 50% above. So let's dive into it. This video is just created to help ease the tension for our subscribers who have been following us for a long time. This video has been created to show you a sneak peek into the software we are developing. The software is almost done. It's still under testing right now, so we just have to wait just a little more time. When the testing is completed, everything will kickstart. So let me just, this video is just to show you how we make sale on the software. So let me just dive into it. Currently, as you can see, there's a user logged in already, a user named Fumba. Should load. Alright, Fumba. As you can see in this page, there's no sale for the vendor board and no sale for the affiliate board as well. Alright, we're going to help her now to make sale. For instance, now a commission sale. She's not a vendor because she doesn't have no product in her cart yet. Let me show you. Alright, no product found. So let's go into the market and help her sell product. So this is the marketplace here. Let's help affiliate a product. So to affiliate for us for this particular product, which is created by Alhamdulillah Da Vinci, is just for her to click here to generate affiliate link. Alright, so when the link is being generated, she copies the link. This link now you can use it to promote your product anywhere online, either WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, anywhere at all. So when the link is being copied and pasted, when anyone clicks the link, as you can see, the link is having an affiliate ID of 41 for her, Fumba, which is unique to her. So this is a product of $10. So whenever anyone buys this product, now the product is having a commission. I will still show you the commission of the product. Alright, let's go into it. Alright, let me use Emmanuel ID, mobile phone number of alright, email address of Andrew. Alright, let me pay. And our payment method, you can see we have different payment method here, switching any country you're from. So let me make use of Kenyan shillings. Alright, it's processing the payment. Alright, let me choose this Airtel, make payments. So this is a demo account. Initially, normally the thing is supposed to, as you can see up here, it's showing we are currently in test mode. So we are still testing the software. Alright. Alright. Purchase was successful. You will receive an email containing your products. Thank you for the patronage. And now I just received an alert of the demo of the test of the demo receipt of the payment. Right. So let's go back to her board. Let's review her board dashboard. Alright, so we can see have $5 for the vendor sales. Understand? This is not supposed to read vendor dashboard. It's supposed to read uh total sale. So I need to correct that one. So we're having a $5 withdrawable amount here. $5 withdrawable amount. This is a wallet balance, not just the vendor dashboard. It's a wallet balance. This is an error. I will correct it in the code. Let me make the correction now. Alright. So Let me make a refresh. Alright, it's okay. So we see this is a wallet balance of $5 because the vendor, she just sold for an affiliate. You understand? She sold a vendor's product. You understand? Now the vendor, invariably, he has his own account, and the commission will be sent, like his own money will be sent to him. This is a commission of 50 uh, percent. In order to know that, let me take you to the product so that you see the product page. Sorry, marketplace. Sorry, so you can see the percentage. This is it. Let me go back and check which product we sold. The ultimate cost for sale. All right. So it's 50% commission for this particular product, and she got at $55 for this. You understand? So basically, just that's just the way we make sale on this particular platform. The video is short, but a comprehensive video about everything will be made and sent to you. This is just a demo, so stay tuned and stay with us to the launch. Thank you very much for your patience. Thank you.